In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram stories. By the end, you'll feel confident getting your stories into a planning tool so you can keep your content consistent and stress-free. First, log into Later and connect your Instagram account. Later is a social media management platform that centralizes your planning, so starting with a proper connection is essential. Use the official login flow in Later, then authorize access to your Instagram. If your Instagram is a business or creator account, you'll typically unlock the most reliable connection and scheduling features. Make sure you grant all the requested permissions so Later can communicate with your profile. If you don't immediately see the right account appear, try refreshing the connection or confirming you have the necessary permissions for the Instagram profile you're adding. It's completely normal for the platform to ask you to reauthorize from time to time. Just follow the prompts until you see your account listed in Later. Next, go to the calendar and click Create Story. The calendar is where your content plan comes to life. You'll see days and weeks laid out, which helps you visualize how your stories complement other posts. The Create Story button opens a dedicated workspace designed specifically for Instagram stories, so you're building in the right format from the start. This view is helpful for pacing your narrative, spotting gaps, and aligning stories with upcoming moments, product launches, or campaigns. Even if you're posting occasionally, using the calendar helps you stay intentional, which ultimately boosts consistency and audience trust. Now upload your image or video for the story. Choose media that's formatted for vertical viewing. A 9:16 aspect ratio, commonly 1080 by 1920 pixels, looks crisp and professional. Keep any key text or logos away from the very top and bottom edges to avoid being covered by interface elements once the story is live. For videos, make sure the file is clear and to the point. Short clips tend to perform well, and most viewers expect quick, engaging moments. Common formats like JPG and MP4 usually work smoothly. If your file is large, give it a moment to process. You can rename your files before uploading to stay organized, and it helps to group related assets together so your story has a cohesive flow. That's it. You've logged in and connected your Instagram account, opened the calendar and tapped Create Story, and uploaded the media you want to use. With those core steps done, you're well set to manage your Instagram stories efficiently inside Later. Thanks for watching and happy planning.